product looks like. When you open the box, you can find a manual. It's really important to read the manual first before using the machine. When you finish reading, you can find the main machine here. Here is the main part, the handle. It's made from high quality and recyclable material. Here we have 4 glass tubes. The first one, the comb. Second one, the mushroom tube. The next one, bending tube. And the last one is the tone tube. So our portable skincare machine generates high frequency current through this glass tube. It helps accelerating blood circulation, eliminates acne, helps anti-wrinkle and tightens the skin. It makes your skin color look even younger. It can also help you to grow your hair and cure hair loss. So, how to use skincare machine? It's not that difficult. First, insert the selected glass electrode into the high frequency machine. Gently push the electrode into place. Now, take the bottom button of the handle to open and adjust the intensity. Clockwise to increase the frequency and counterclockwise to decrease the frequency. Hold the handle of the high frequency instrument, but it's really important, do not touch the upper end of the handle, but it's recommended to touch it on your finger first. Increase the strength to a comfortable position and then move the electrode around a small circle of skin. Now let me explain how each of glass tube works. First one, the mushroom. It's suitable for large place treatments like forehead, cheeks, and neck. Next one, the bend tube, is used for very sensitive areas like under the nose and under the eyes. Tongue tube is used for areas when the acne is more visible and spotted. The last one, the comb, is used to stimulate the scalp and to help grow new hair.